Hello students, how all are doing? All are good? Fine. So let's continue with chapter 1, Introduction to Computer. As we are studying about storage device, today's title is secondary storage. So let me ask one question, what is a storage device? Yes. A storage device refers to a computing hardware used to store information permanently or temporarily. Understood? A storage device refers to a computing hardware used to store information permanently or temporarily. So, what is the mean by computing here? Computing means the operation of computer. And in third class you learnt about hardware. Hardware is device which can be touched. And here I written store information permanently or temporarily. Permanent information means after done the work, when we will open our system, we can see our work which done before turn of the computer. And temporary information cannot find after turn of the computer. Having two types of memory, primary memory and secondary memory. We already discussed about primary memory. Now we talk about secondary memory. The secondary memory is used to store the data permanently. The secondary memory is used to store the data permanently. So when you save the data, you have save option. It gets saved in some secondary storage devices. The data is not erased even when the computer is switched off. But when we learning about primary memory, the data is erased when the computer is switched off. So our first device, our first secondary device is hard disk. In short, we simply call it hard disk or HDD. This is hard disk drive. In short, we simply call it hard disk or HDD. This hard disk is fixed inside the CPU box. So while working in a program, the CPU uses RAM for processing. When we save the file, it copied from the RAM to hard disk. Understood? We can also save it in any other storage device. But I am explaining about hard disk, so I just give you example as a HDD hard disk. So tomorrow we will discuss about some other storage devices, some other secondary storage devices which are compact disc, DVD, Blu-ray disc, pen drive and cloud storage. You just read and try to understand. Tomorrow I will explain. Okay? Done? Good.